Welcome to my session, AI Leadership Operating System. In this particular modules, I discuss about my framework, AI Sense 2. This framework is help organizations and leaders to really thrive in the upcoming AI era. And whatever may become, like I am helping the leaders to really overcome the different types of challenges they will be experiencing in the AI scaling solution, and how can we navigate the complexity in the upcoming years to come. And when we talk about the complexity, what are the different types of challenges we will be experiencing, and how we should prepare ourselves with the skills, competency, knowledge, so that it becomes very natural for us to really overcome those complexity, especially in the AI solution. My book, Leading High and Machine Things Faster, is all about helping leaders to overcome some of this ambiguous, complex, volatile environment, and what all skills will help them to really strengthen their leadership position in the upcoming years to come. Once you look at this book in Amazon, see that like what are the content I have proposed, and retrospect back saying that like if these contents are relevant or not. And if you have a time, you can really extract the some of the case studies where the transformation has happened, what type of skills, knowledge, competencies, or the approach those organizations has taken. If you can map these particular things and see whatever the message I'm sending, if they are relevant or irrelevant. If it is relevant, please discard this content and discard this book, discard this message. But I am 100% confident that whatever I am saying after 27 years of experience, this will be make sense for any leaders who are actually currently operating a very large scale AI transformation program. This particular module is all about like a high performance workflow design with the help of the AI. AI is the embedded part of in our life. Like how can we invite and closely monitor these particular things to enhance our productivity. Last session we talked about like how human and AI collaborate to create value, and what all different elements we need to really retrospect, we need to look, we need to really refine. That is what the first session is all about. Second session we talked about like a building high performance human AI workflow. What are the different parts are essential, what are the different parts need to be there when you design a AI workflow. Now in third sessions we talked about the co-pilot, like how can you design your own AI co-pilot, and what all different elements we need to really consider when you think about like AI co-pilot. In the fourth session we talked about like how human skills can become relevant, and it will be a competitive advantage of every individual when they polish those particular skills, and how can they continue to thrive when they really invest time, invest effort on this particular area. Now this is the last and final session where we'll be talking about like building high performance human AI team. All these concepts has been borrowed from my book, and each elements are I have powerfully chosen. I have really extracted the vital few information so that you can in a less time you can really understand what exactly the message is. But there are a 400-page book is written, so you can imagine like okay, it's just a brief I am talking about. Now when you talk about the building high performance human AI team, we need to know why are you doing all these things. The highest performance team of the future will be human AI team. Now in your current role, in your current job descriptions, like is how much it is there. Now everything is start with retrospective. Everything start with one particular question: why are traditional team evolving? Why are human AI outperforming a traditional team? Why adaptability critical in AI era? These are some of the questions which will help you to really think and say, aha, why will a human AI teamwork define competitive advantage? When you answer some of these questions, there are 10 more questions you can add into it to really strengthen your thought process. You will be able to see that like why I am talking about this concept, and how can I redesign my life for another 5 to 10 years. And what is a high performance AI team is all about? They have a shared goal, they have a clear roles, they have a intelligent decision making process in place, they have a trust and accountability, human oversight. So these are already in place. Any high performance instance, if you analyze, if you observe, you'll be able to see the footprint of all these things. Now where the human contributes in this entire ecosystem, human or a team actually, they have a creativity, they have a leadership skill, they have a leadership building skill. In earlier module also I have talked about it. Now where AI is contributing in the entire equation or entire ecosystem is actually the continuous availability, decision support, knowledge and automation, data analysis. So all these things AI is actually enabling that to happen. Now team capability enhance when you when you actually add into this AI teammate and AI agent and digital co-worker, they all work together to really strengthen and output. Now high performance team characteristics is already discussed. High performance human AI team is actually they can execute faster, they can innovate faster, they can customer experience is good, scalability is there. So that's the reason why we need to redesign our current setup and see that like where all I can inject this part. So how do we build human AI team? define the team goal, what exactly you're looking for, identify AI opportunity, assign human role, assign AI role, establish collaboration role, create feedback loop. These are the essential design part. Like when you design workflow, these are the part of this. And future ready human AI team has a AI native organization, autonomous team, AI coaches, AI project manager, intelligent collaboration system, continuous skilling is happening. Now, when you talk about the team design, like how should human AI be structured? There is a human specialist, there's AI co-pilot, there's an AI agent. All these things, workflow automations are there. Shared knowledge is in place where they're continuously learning, continuously sharing, continuously seeing that like what is working, what is not working. And leadership in the human AI team is they are setting the vision, they build trust, they really coach the team member. There is ethical governance in place. There is a decision oversight is happening. So how do leader manage AI powered team? These are questions they can ask. The team culture is someone leaders need to really ensure this team culture is always there. Reflective question is why AI tool could strengthen any team, which task should be remain human led, how can we improve human collaboration? These are some of the questions which you can ask when you think about the current setup, when you think about the future setup, where you would like to take your team into the AI driven, AI lead thing. So human creativity plus AI analysis, human judgment plus AI recommendation, human leadership plus AI itself. This is how you are creating that coexistence. You are designing the synergy. You are designing this augmented AI into your current setup. So as a leader, it is very essential, very vital for your role to really see that like these are in place. You cannot ignore any one aspect of these particular things. This need to be factored into. Then you will be thinking about like a human AI high performance team. Now, what I talked about, human AI collaboration is essential. High performance team blend human creativity with AI capability. Neither can succeed alone. Clear role accountability. Define specific roles for both human and AI. Establish trust and accountability framework. Continuous learning culture. Teams must embrace ongoing adoption, knowledge sharing, and skill development. Balance innovation with ethics. Maintain ethical governance, psychological safety, human-centric decision making. Perform through purpose. Align talent, AI capability, and shared purpose to drive measurable team excellence. Action. Identify AI opportunities. Map current workflow and pinpoint where AI can augment human capabilities. Establish collaboration. Create clear guidelines for human AI interaction and feedback loop in your team. Build AI literacy. Start learning AI tools relevant to your field and practice integrating them into daily work. So this is how you will take it forward, like the small actions you are taking, which is actually be a game changers in coming days. So week, once you stop taking this action, it will become a better position in coming days. So in this module, I talked about like 3 pain points. Many pain points. 3 are the many organizations either fear AI as a replacement or use it inefficiently, missing the opportunity to create true human plus AI synergy. Another pain point we talked about actually, traditional leadership approaches do not equip leaders to manage AI co-pilot, redesign workflow, or make strategic decision in an AI-enabled organization. As AI autonomous more work, organization risk undervaluing uniquely human capabilities such as creativity, empathy, and so this need to be more strengthened. So what exactly we talked about in this particular module is human AI synergy combines human creativity, judgment, and emotional intelligence with AI speed, scalability, analytics capability. AI augments rather than replace human intelligence. Collaboration creates extraordinary results. Successful collaboration requires understanding both human strength and AI strength. When you consciously design these particular things, this will become a massive advantage. The future belongs to human and AI working together. It just got missed there. The module number 8, right? Module number 8. So and human AI collaboration create value through better decision, increase innovation, improve productivity, and enhance customer experience. Effective workflow need intentional design with clear division of responsibilities. Human focus on judgment and creativity while AI handles automation. Human in the loop design is essential. Keep human involved. Quality control and oversight. Uniquely human skill become more valuable in upcoming days. Emotional intelligence, empathy, ethical judgment, and relationship building cannot be automated. Leader must learn to lead with AI copilot, continuously adapting while focusing on strategic thinking, vision setting, and human accountability. Develop AI literacy and practice integration, understanding AI capabilities limitation to effectively collaborate with AI tools in daily workflow. Though I talked about very vital few things, but there is an immense thing which you need to really do and take it actions. Each video, please rewind, revise, and see that like if anything you are missing. I have covered in a fast forward manner, but if for you to really take it forward and take a lot of actions around this particular area so that you can strengthen this particular area, you sure get the better benefit in upcoming days once you strengthen this particular area, whatever I shared here. Thank you so much. much for listening to me.